So I'm in Sora today and I'm going to make this action figure image, which is really simple to do. I've got a basic prompt down here, which I'll put create a Mr. Bean action figure in blister packaging, include some accessories specific to the subject. This just makes sure it will have some interesting items in the packaging. Now you can use this in ChatGPT. I'm using Sora because it's a little bit freer with things like copyright figures and stuff. Because I'm using like Mr. Bean, you might have a chance of it not running in ChatGPT, but you can do more generic action figures and things absolutely fine in that. So I thought I'm going to make it a bit more interesting than that. So I reran the prompt and just added in this bit here with interesting design into the prompt. This packaging with interesting design, because I felt the previous one was just a little bit boring. It was all red. There wasn't really much in terms of design going on. So I just added that and it brought up this nice little addition of some graphics at the top, the Mr. Bean cartoon, the sort of the yellow on red background, which just looked quite good. And I was also really happy with the accessories on this, like a camera, the umbrella and antenna, just like the way this looked. So because I like the way this looked, I wanted to make another image, but using this particular variant. So that's why I did a remix. So I did a remix and I wanted to put it into an environment. So the next image was a remix of that. And as you can see, the prompt for the remix was add the words action figure, just because I thought it was missing from the original. It's quite good to have it there. And have a child holding it with an out of focus toy store in the background. Now you can do whatever you want here, but I just wanted to put it into an environment. You can also you can also ask it to be sort of hanging on a shelf in the toy store or however you like, but it just makes it a bit more interesting than just having the figure just like that on a plain background. And so I thought, okay, that's pretty good. Let's try another thing. Let's try another idea. So let's do something that's not based on sort of an actual person. So I came up with this, a 9-to-5 office worker action figure, which the prompt was pretty simple, but I got into more specific accessories on this one. So create a 9-to-5 office work action figure in blister packaging with an interesting design. Same as the previous prompt so far. Include some accessories specific to the subject, but then I listed the accessories myself. So I specified a cup of coffee, pre-packed sandwich, and some vitamin D pills. And then it's also added something else onto the left, this little strange bottle. I don't know what that is, but there we go. Notice how even though I just put 9-to-5 office worker as the main description, it's perfectly captured that kind of aesthetic and look that you would associate, like the slightly downtrodden, miserable, Monday morning kind of looking guy with his accessories. So that was worked out really well. But if you're running out of ideas and you want something really novel, you could always have the subject of the action figure to be playing with themselves.